Tonight my friend Averie came over to work on some mosaic projects with me, and I decided to make her a nice cup of hot chocolate. In fact, it's Viennese hot chocolate, and it's made in the Philips soup maker. Check it out. It's the easiest, most delicious hot chocolate you'd ever have. First of all, we're going to open the soup maker, which is a blender, and I'm going to add a half of a bar of Lindt chocolate, and this is 85% cocoa. It's very bitter dark chocolate, not much sugar in it at all. So I have a bar like this, as you can see how dark the chocolate is, and it's not very sweet, but that's okay. Viennese hot chocolate is a little bit different than what you might be used to in these packets of pre-made hot chocolate mix. So we're just going to break this up a little bit so it goes faster, and I'm going to throw it in to the soup maker. Then to sweeten that up, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then to add some nice warm spice to it, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now I measured out what fits into one of our nice big mugs here for my friend Averie. It's about 1.25 cups of whole milk, so you can use whatever size mug you have in your house. I'm using the Longaberger mugs that keep the hot chocolate nice and warm. Let's pour that in. You can make up to 4 cups of milk at a time in here. Now let's take a look at the top of the lid here. If you're not used to the soup maker yet, you can pick one of the 6 settings. We're going to pick the one that has what looks like a bottle of milk next to the bowl, and that means this is how you make your milk products with this amount of blending. So we're going to choose that from the menu and then start. Now this will cause the heating element in the bottom of the soup maker to start working. As that heats up, it's also going to cause the blender to start blending. And this will happen several times during the hot chocolate being made. So you'll hear that start up. Alright, you could hear that blending. Now you're also hearing this start to heat up. You might hear a little crackling sounds here, but this is getting warmer. And I'm going to let this do its work, and I'll be back to show you after this becomes hot. Okay, this is very warm now to the touch, and I think that the Viennese hot chocolate would be nice and hot, ready to serve to Averie. So let's open up the canister. Take a look. And unplug it. Nice dark foamy Viennese hot chocolate, steaming, and we're going to top it off with some nice whipped cream. Oh. Alright, I think that's a pretty nice way to use your Philips soup maker to make some Viennese hot chocolate. Averie, I hope you enjoyed that treat. Thanks for watching.